think one of the most memorable things that happened this week was speaking with my mentor. And I thought I'd talk about mentorship, how to find one, how to maintain a good relationship with your mentor, and kind of just thoughts about how I met mine, because I have a pretty interesting story. 제가 4년 전에 스포티파이랑 이제 뉴욕타임즈 두 회사를 두고 면접을 봤었어요. 그 당시 뉴욕타임즈 면접 봤던 면접관 분이 제 멘토거든요. 결국 뉴욕타임즈는 떨어졌고 스포티파이를 가게 됐는데, 면접하면서 제가 만났던 그분이 너무 좋아. 그냥 그 느낌이라는 게 있잖아요. 뭔가 나랑 잘 맞을 것 같은 그런 느낌적인 느낌? 그런 vibes. 그 면접 본 지 한 1년 후 그 갑상선 암 이제 수술을 한 다음에 뭔가 세상을 바라보는 그런 견해가 확 달라져가지고 뭔가 get my way 살짝 you only live once라는 그런 마인드셋이 제 인생관이 되어가지고 서스름 없이 그냥 out of the blue 링크드인 메시지를 보냈었어요. 답장이 오더라고요. But eventually it became a monthly, and it's been 4 years since we've had a monthly conversation. During those 4 years, we went to config together. We meet and talk about our salaries, career progression. I referred her to a podcast that I thought would be interesting for her to speak on. It's one of the biggest services and podcasts in the world. She got to speak on it. She wrote me recommendation letters for my visa when I was getting my green card, my O1. This relationship has really been fruitful, and we're now such good friends. I thought I'd speak about and talk about how to first find a mentor, second, maintain the relationship with your mentor. First, finding a mentor. Like I did, you can find them anywhere. But you just have to really be sure about what you want. For me, Yvonne, my mentor, was an Asian woman, and I knew I could probably relate to her a lot more than like a white woman or some other woman. And just seeing a face that looked like mine was a big, huge kind of opener for me. Second, she was a designer. She's had stepped into those roles. I wanted to be someone like that. She had a service design background. She had worked in social impact. I had worked in social impact. There's some kind of parallel within our career development. Third, 멘토를 찾는다는 건 빈손으로 가면 안 돼요. 근데 그게 막 사과를 사가고 이렇게 선물 사가라는 말이 아니라, 내가 멘티라고, 멘토십을 받는 사람이라고 권력이 없거나 실력이 없거나 부족한 게 아니거든요. 그러니까 나만의 그런 special sauce, like capacity, capability가 있어요. 예를 들어 저는 I have a network. I have built so many relationships in New York with designers, educators. For example, that podcast thing. I knew the host, so I could connect her to the host, while I can get mentorship from her in terms of how she grew in her career. I knew I had different assets, different types of capital, not just financial, but I had time, I had leverage, I had relationships. And knowing your kind of key skill sets or the things that you can give from your heart, from your, life is really important, because your mentors are not going to waste their time on somebody they don't see potential. 이렇게 바칠 수 있는 게 있어야 되는 것 같아요. Knowing that I can give something, right? I'm not going empty-handed. And respecting their time. And let's say you don't have a lot of things to offer. Your questions, the type of questions you ask can really be a gift to people. Make them pause and think and reflect, which is really, really important. Also think setting up like a cadence. I meet her every month. Sometimes it gets busy. Summer, we go on vacations, we push it to the other month. But having something on the calendar routinely, I think, is really important. Everyone needs a mentor. Everyone needs a sponsor if they really want to level up in their career. Seeing my mentor on the week of my birthday was really special because I got to kind of celebrate the time I've spent with her, built with her. These relationships bring you so much joy. I've always wanted to kind of look into what the New York Times office building looks like. I got to see it. It was so beautiful. I got a private tour, got to meet new people. There's so many things that relationships bring. You just have to understand what kind of relationship it is and how to approach it. So I thought I'd share. Yeah, that was this week. Did a lot of things, had a lot of fun, ate a lot of cake. Next week I'm going to go on a little trip upstate, which I think will be fun. A lot of antique shopping. Stay tuned for that. Come back for that. And yeah, I'll see you later.